correcting ribbon error codes on the ZT211 printer. The ZT211 printer may display a ribbon error code. To clear the warning ribbon in error, try the following. The warning ribbon in error is indicated with a flashing ribbon indicator light. If you are printing in direct thermal mode and a ribbon is installed, remove the ribbon. If you are printing with thermal transfer media using a ribbon, set the printer to thermal transfer. Alert ribbon out error. This error is indicated with a flashing red supplies light and a solid red status light. If the printer is in thermal transfer mode, the ribbon is not loaded. Load the ribbon. The ribbon is loaded incorrectly. Reload the ribbon and confirm the ribbon is following the correct path. Media or debris is blocking the ribbon sensor. Carefully clean and clear any debris or media from the ribbon sensor. The ribbon sensor may not be detecting the ribbon. Perform a manual calibration of the printer.